Hey, what's up everybody? Dano here. Well, it's not all just about sitting around in a deer stand or a ground blind shooting deer. Sometimes you gotta work too. You can't just play all the time. Today we're tearing down the old shooting shack. Now we got Ricky and the old bull out there already. We got most of the railings and stuff like that tore down. I got thirsty. I had to run back to the barn and get me something to drink. But, yep. Yeah, home sweet home. Nope, so. Nope. Today is the 29th, I believe. 28th or 29th. Today, like I said, we're working on cleaning up. Get to play on the four-wheeler. No. You gotta get some playtime. Gotta get some playtime. Alright. Besides, it's a beautiful day today. Absolutely lovely. Alright, so we want to be safe. Like I said, the 27th or 28th of December, and it's 60 degrees outside, people. I mean, literally. A little sloppy. Not too bad, though. Not too bad. Not too bad. Like I said, 60 degrees. Couldn't ask for a better day to be out playing. Now it is shotgun weekend, which is why we're all wearing "Don't Shoot Me" orange. Because we don't want to be shot. We are on private property, so it's not public land, but still you never know. Some dumbasses out on the property next to you shoots a stray shot or something, so you always got to be careful. Got the old bull. Now I hear cracking and popping. A lot of cracking and popping going on. But no, just wanted to say, hey, what's up? Thanks for watching. Thanks for chilling. And thanks for hanging out in Dano's world. Make sure you hit your like button, your subscribe button, tell all your friends. And yeah. Mass destruction. That would be the cracking and popping that we heard. Demolition can be fun though, huh, Ricky? It's not all about play. Sometimes you got to put in the work.
You might get one to go viral when that thing just collapses right there in front of you.
11:30, December 29th. 62 degrees out. And that is all that's left of the shooting shack. It's like Swiss cheese. Give her hell, Ricky. You gotta grunt. Grunt. Ah! Ah!
That fruit's true, it's gonna let you do that. I grunt, they shook my hand. Don't hurt your back, Rick.
Say hi, old bull.
There's a screw in there, but I never could see where it was at. I knew where it was at.
He's camera shy. He don't like the camera.
Yeah.
He's camera shy.
We'll
Old people, you know how they are.
You gotta save the two.
But nope, it's 11:30. It's 60 degrees. December 29th. You couldn't ask for a better day to be out messing around. Shotgun weekend, so we all got our hey, I'm wearing orange, don't shoot me, dumbass on. But no, by another hour or so, and we'll have this cleaned up, and then we'll do a follow-up on this video of the new one going up. But you know, that looks heavy. I should probably offer to help him, but I can't do that and do this at the same time, so.
Can we get in there? It's a hell of a nice sturdy ladder. All right.
Ricky made the official decision. We are going to recycle that. We're going to use that for the new shooting shack.
Well, it's nice. I mean,
It looks stout.
Heavy, I know that.
But nope. Back with an update. Well, she's all cleaned up. She's down, she's gone. Now we'll go unload the trailer, put it away. Then I'm thinking lunch is in my future. I'm hungry. No, it's been a fun day, and you really can't complain about hanging out with your friends. It's always a good time when you hang out with your friends. So we're going to take the long way. Yeah. So you can see they coming up the ravine there. How do you like that for review? Power line row right there. You see quite a ways right there. Nice. I've actually had a deer stand back there. Wasn't for my straps, you wouldn't be able to even see my stand. My straps kind of give it away right there. That they do. That they do. So, old bull's kind of ahead of me there. Nope. Anytime you can get out, get off the couch, be productive. We're productive today. It's a nice day. We got a lot done. Like I said, got to hang out with my buddies. And that's for you. You know who you are. You know who you are. No trespassing. No trespassing, fool. Nope. We're gonna head back up to the farm, go home and get some lunch. We'll check in with you here in a minute.